Guys, look at the beautiful snow, guys. It's beautiful. It's frost here in Alberta. Yan, ang ganda. Frosty the snowman is a happy guy. Ganyan nakalalim ang snow dito sa aming lugar. Ayan, my beautiful old red tractor. Look at the snow. Beautiful, like a powdery substance. Ni Marcos Bangag Jr. Oh, what happened here? Nagilay ang tambutso. Here's exhaust. Ayan siya, guys. Today is a beautiful day. Sunny and frosty. The snowman. Thanks for watching. Love Nanski here in Alberta. Beautiful.